Hey, what's up guys, it's the Meridian Apurture, and today we're going to be checking out something I discovered very recently. It's called Snapdrop, and it's essentially a airdrop replacement for Android, Windows PCs and any other devices that aren't running iOS. I found this to be extremely convenient, especially when I'm making videos. I can just quickly send over photos or any files that I forgot to transfer. So let's go into my internet browser and I'm going to type in snapdrop.net. There we are, and it brings me up to this web page. I'm going to open the same thing on my phone, so I'm going to go into the Chrome browser and type in Snapdrop. There we go. And as soon as I open the page, you can see on both devices I've got a device name. Now, because they're both on the same network, of course, only these devices appear. So my phone is called Azure Boar and my computer is called Teal Vicuna, and I don't think you can change them, unfortunately. But it's there so you can tell which device is which. So, sending files over is incredibly easy, and it's just as easy as AirDrop. I'm going to go into my pictures, and just for kicks and giggles, I'm going to send over a YouTube thumbnail that I used in my last video for the S21 Plus unboxing. So let's grab that, drag, and just like that on my phone it says, ask to save each file before downloading. I'm going to uncheck that box so it's a bit quicker. Press save. And just like that, it's on my device. It's so quick and simple, it's really easy to use, no hassle with cables or anything. And another thing you can do to make it even more convenient is, there's an icon in the top right of the screen, I'll click that, to install the app on your devices. So you can install it on your Windows desktop. So as soon as I close these pages, you can see it's made an icon on my desktop that wasn't there before. Did that automatically, and then when I open it, it's open in an app rather than in the web browser itself. The same thing can be done on your phone, so I'm going to press the icon, press install, adding Snapdrop, and now when I go across to the end, there it is, and it will work exactly the same way. So if I open it again on my computer, both devices come up with devices on their pages. So that's been Snapdrop. Snapdrop is excellent for anybody using any platform, transferring photos, videos and files. It's so easy, and it just eliminates the need for transferring small things over cable. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell icon to receive notifications every time I post a new video, and I will see you in the next one.